Welcome to Voice with Julia and day 63 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are doing exercises 91 and 92 on these exercises on 4 notes, and they keep just getting trickier and trickier. So let's feel our way through these.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Okay, and here's exercise 91. Just make sure you take a second to look at the roadmap, and maybe you want to kind of put a piece of paper so you can see where that line is, so you're not having to search for it in 10 lines. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and here is exercise 92. Again, just watch out and make sure you turn that around in your head.